that would be a high-end tropical storm that would then make landfall towards San Diego before pushing onshore. Here's what our model looks like. The rain is already starting. We have flood warnings for parts of the Imperial Valley in California. As we speak, roads are already being closed because of what we've seen with debris flowing over some roads down toward Imperial County. And notice that by 5 o'clock, we're completely swamped with the rain. That's tonight into early tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, note the timestamp, upper left-hand corner, this is Pacific time. By 11 a.m., we are stuck in a rut of rain from Bakersfield to LA, down to San Diego. The yellows and oranges and reds indicating the moderate and at times heavy rain that we're anticipating, especially on what we call the windward side of the mountain, down around, say, just east of San Diego is where we're expecting there to be quite a bit of rain. You can see it right here, and that is known as the Penicular Range. It's the division between the desert and where things are a little bit more moist. But this is going to be an area and a zone that we watch very carefully for some really heavy rain. Josh, we're talking upwards of, say, 6 to 12 inches of rain. Unfortunately, all of that rain then runs through what are called the concrete washes and the stormwater channels there in SoCal. This could be a huge issue, especially towards San Diego and then just outside of LA, where we're anticipating between 3 to 5 inches of rain with locally heavier amounts between 5 to 8 and perhaps even 8 to 12 inches. And you can see right there in the Inland Empire of San Diego where we'd be expecting that. Josh, to put this into perspective for you in terms of the type of rain that we're anticipating, in places like Death Valley, California, this is equivalent to receiving 2 to 3 years worth of rain in only a 48 to 72 hour period. A 2 to 3 years worth of rain. It's a ton of rain. Unfortunately, I think that flooding is going to be an issue. 21 million Americans under tropical storm warnings. That does include San Diego and LA. We'll, of course, keep a very close eye on it as the storm makes landfall in the United States by late weekend and early into the day on Monday morning. Josh?